Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I'm doing my liquid lipstick collection video. I'm going to swatch everything in my collection and let's just jump into it. I'm going to start out with the things that are not matte liquid lipsticks because once we get into that, I know my swatch in hand is going to be all messed up. I've got two of these Lancome shakers and you do have to shake them before you use them. These ones are the matte shakers. Yeah, matte shaker. This one is called Pink Pocket and this one is called Pinkaboo, and they both have these little spongy things, so you kind of just like tap it onto your hand. So Pink Pocket and Pinkaboo right there. I only have one left of these. I love these, but the other two that I really loved, I think they went off and I had to get rid of them. But this is the Melting Pout from CoverGirl. This one is in the shade 100 Gelebrity. They all have the word gel in their name because they're all gel formula. They really remind me in terms of formula of the NARS Velvet Lip Glides. Like, they really are the same formula. There's no difference other than the colors. And then these two are both from Beige Cosmetics. These are the cashmere creams and I love this formula. They are so nice. This one is in the shade Yes and this one is Perf, and they both have applicators like this. They feel really nice. They're moussey and they don't have any scent, but they look really good on. Then I have two of these Wet n Wild. These ones are the High Shine lipsticks, Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick. This one is in the shade Peach Stole My Look, and this one is Chic Got Real. C-H-I-C, get it? So Peach Stole My Look. The only thing I don't like about these ones is you have to dip into the product over and over and over because not a lot comes out with just one, one dip. I really like both these colors though, especially this one. And these are all the NARS Velvet Lip Glides that I currently own. I used to own a few more. I used up one entire one of these at one point. This is a mini in Lip Palace. I don't really use this one a lot because these are liquid and they slide around. Being red, it's just not, and I don't wear a lot of red anyway. But anyways, it can get a little bit messy. I really love the nudes in these. This one is Xenon. And again, they're just like the formula of this color, or CoverGirl one. Like, they feel so nice on. So Xenon, this one is Bound. I've had Bound now for like, since he's launched, and it still smells perfect. And then this one is Swing. See how pretty those all are? Love that formula. Okay, that is everything that is not a matte liquid lipstick. I'm gonna try to make the swatches all a little bit smaller because I want to give you true swatches and my hand's gonna get all messed up. This is from Ulta. This is a matte metallic liquid lipstick. There is no name on here. So, I mean, I don't know how effective it's gonna be for me to show you this because I can't tell you what the name is, but that's what it looks like right there. And then this one is from Feral Beauty. I keep it in the packaging because look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. And that's, oh no, not Feral. Menagerie. I'm thinking of Feral because that was the palette. Yeah, this is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Grizzly. I should actually order something from them because I got this from Alex, but I kind of would like to try their eyeshadow palettes. And then this is the Violet Voss Liquid Lipstick. I keep this in the package too. I don't know why. Again, kind of cute packaging. And this one is in the shade Charming. So there is Grizzly and Charming. This is from Ofra. This is the long lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco. It's kind of similar to that Ulta one. Whoa. This one is a Jouer lipstick. I love this color. It's so pretty on. This is, it's just called the Lip Cream and the shade is called Melon. I've had this for quite a few years now. I got this in my lucky bag like 4 years ago from Beautylish. This is a little mini from Lime Crime in the plushies and it's in the shade Toasted Marshmallow. Love this color. Oh, I think it needs to be like shaken up or something. This one actually, like the actual formula starts out kind of very liquidy, but it does dry down. It's just a much thinner formula, which actually makes it kind of comfortable. This one is Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Rubino. This is like why I'm scared of doing this video, because I know it's gonna stain my hand, but like look at that color. So pretty. I've got 3 of the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipsticks. I at one point had like 12 of these and then I just kind of decided I'd never wear them, so I just kept 3 that I know I like. This one is in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is such a pretty fall shade and the formula of these is really, really good. In case you're wondering, I mean, it's drugstore pricing. You can get quite a few shades for not a lot of money. I really like this one as well. Rebel Rose. Typical kind of like rosy brownie rose color. And then this one is gorgeous. This was, I think, from a Halloween collection. I don't know if you can still get it, but it's called Terrifying Tangerine. I love wearing this in the summertime. It's so pretty on. Yes, I do wear that. Okay, I've got 2 of the Too Faced Melted Mattes. This one is in the shade Queen Bee. Obviously a deluxe sample size or travel size. And then this one is just such a favorite. I actually wear this a lot. I wear this color in general in all types of formulas a lot. This is Bend and Snap. This kind of like beautiful fuchsia shade. Love, love that shade. Speaking of, I've got 2 of these Bare Minerals. These are the, it doesn't say on here. Oh, I can't remember what the name of this line is, but I think it still exists. Statement Mattes. I think these are called the Statement Mattes. This one is Devious and this one is OMG. OMG's kind of that same fuchsia shade that I really, really like. These smell really good. And then Devious, beautiful fall shade. So pretty. They're a little bit more velvety, but they do dry down. These are Jordana Sweet Creams. This one is in the shade Mango Sorbet. Similar a little bit to that Wet n Wild one. So cute. I love this orangey, melony tangerine shade in the summertime. This one is Raspberry Tart. Similar to all the fuchsias. Well, it's a little bit more of a hot pink actually. And then this one is Sweet Marsala Wine. These have that ballerina foot applicator. So do the Wet n Wild ones. At one point I had a lot of Anastasia liquid lipsticks. I got rid of a ton of them. These are the only 2 I have left. This one is Dolce and this one is Crush. Love both of these. Both of these are very, very old, but they still work totally fine. They smell like they always have. They've lasted so long. So that's Dolce and this one is Crush. And then I've got these 2. These are, again, I had so many of these Sephora cream lip stains at one point and I just narrowed them down over time. This one is in the shade 03. They do have names, but they don't say them on the packaging. You would have to go on to Sephora's website and find out the actual names, but I'm pretty sure this is like strawberry something. And then this is number 13, which is their iconic one. So iconic, they actually have it separate in their display, or it did at one time, like off to the side with like a spotlight on it or something. That's number 13 right there. But this is also a really, really, really good formula. And then this is all of my ColourPop liquid lipsticks. Again, over time, I have totally whittled all of these down. This is an ultra blotted lip in the shade Soda Pop. I wear this a lot. And these ones, do you see how it looks like it's like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like it doesn't look pigmented. It looks sheer, but it's a gel formula that does dry down, and you're supposed to look like you blotted your lips. This one is in the shade Bitto Sunny. It's also an ultra blotted formula. Same thing with the formula. It's like a little bit sheer, but I really like these. This color's so pretty. And then this one is an ultra matte lip in the shade Controlla. This is just so different than anything else I own. Even those bright, like those bright orangey shades for the summer, it's even a little bit different because it's got a little bit more pink in it. Do you see then even that one's more orangey, and so is that one. So cool. And then this one is another ultra blotted lip in the shade Soft Spot. And it's just a little bit more pink than the other ones. I really love the ultra blotted lip formula. I don't know if they still make it. It's been a long time since I've placed a ColourPop order. And very last liquid lipstick in my whole collection is this one. It's the Ultra Satin Lip in the shade The Rabbit. And this is my favorite liquid lipstick of all time. Again, that bright fuchsia-y color. So stop unfocusing. So beautiful. Love The Rabbit. Okay, that is all of my liquid lipsticks. All here in one shot. No, almost. Oh, that's gonna make a good thumbnail. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.